E.J Hadaway is a wholly Australian privately owned company whose origin dates back to 1919, when founder Jack Hadaway opened a blacksmith shop in North Melbourne, Australia. In 2003, manufacturing moved to a purpose-built factory in Melbourne's southeastern suburbs. It is here that the Hadaway family continue to provide industries such as mining, rail, water, construction and lifting with high-quality metal products specific to their requirements. With dedicated staff skilled in traditional forging methods and utilising new machinery and technologies, E.J Hadaway is able to provide products that are designed to customer specifications and meet all industry standards. Utilising advanced technologies and manufacturing processes, including custom product drawings by E.J Hadaway's in-house industrial designer, the company provides customers with access to leading-edge developments in bolts and engineering. Continuous improvement is the bedrock of the company, which is applicable to all aspects of the business: people, systems, technologies, and service. If you're looking for a company that is dedicated to metal manufacturing excellence, give E.J Hadaway a call.